All right, y'all ready? Mike Marks with the Eagles, Steelers, Rams, Jets, Packers, Bucks, Raiders, Saints, Chiefs, Lions, Bears, Giants. Drew Grawl and Hunter with the Chargers, the Washington football team, the Bills, the Seahawks, the Vikings, 49ers, Jags, and Texans. Travis with the Dolphins, Broncos, Ravens, Falcons, Colts, Cardinals, Patriots, and Panthers. And Ozzy with the Bengals, Cowboys, the hometown Browns, and the Titans. If it all looks good, hit the like, hit the love, hit the share, and let's get saucy. Let's go. Here we go. There he is right there. Old Stanley, Rusty, Trusty, Rusty, Fire Cutter. I don't know what you want to call him, but he gonna make it happen. We waking the neighbors up tonight, baby. Got the window open. It's 105 here. We're gonna make it happen. Let's go. 6 packs, boys. 6 packs. That's what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Here we go. Y'all ready? Let's get saucy. Let's pull some hot sauce right off the rip. Little Alvin Kamara, and as I always do, I gotta announce the first player out. That's the Saints, and that's going to Mike Marks. So we turn it up to 200, baby. Let's go. Cowboys, little Dak Prescott. That's also going to... No, it ain't going to Mike Marks. That's going to Ozzy. Oh, there's an auto right there, boys. Clear vision. Chase Young getting saucy for the Washington football team. There it is, Drew. There you go. Oh, well, look at that. We already see that feller. Brandon Ayuk, 49ers going to Drew also. About that little back-to-back hit for you. Have yourself a pack. Have yourself a pack. That's a squealer. Chase Claypool. We getting saucy right off the rip. Steelers Mike Marks. Don't show that card. Come on, boy. LaVisca Chenault and the Jags. Drew Grawl again. Man's going to have a pack. I'm telling you. Look at that. The Washington football team again. Antonio Gibson. Believe this is an auto. We'll check it. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go, boys. Ooh, this is sweet. Check this out. Turn of the century elite. Oh my. Boys, let's go. Somebody say it. Let's go, baby. That's a Charger. That's Drew Grawl. That's number 10, Justin Herbert. Hot sauce auto, baby. Boom. Out of 49. Holy smokes. We woke up the neighborhood. Let's go, baby. Woo. Herbert auto. Who called it? Drew Grawl and Travis Miller. You both won yourself a pack. Good night. Yeah, baby. We getting saucy. I'm hoarse already, boys. House payment Herbert. on the book. Holy smokes. That's a giant out of 49. Hunter, Drew, I hope you boys are celebrating over there. What a monster. Right in a one touch for you. Guys, screenshot this if you could, please, and send it my way. I would appreciate it. Screenshot and send my way. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What a hit. First pack, Drew Grawl. I love it. Hot sauce. Let's go, baby. Woo! How do we even follow that up? My, oh my. Let's go. Tiki Barber, Giants. Broncos, Jerry Jeudy, rookie. Oh, looks like another auto, boys. I might get the autos right away. Antonio Gibson. Another one. Travis, you stepped away. You probably heard me hollering. I'm hoarse already. Woke up the neighborhood. Cops are coming. Everything's going on over here. Cole Kmet. I told you. Mike Marks is a Cole Kmet machine. Raiders, Henry Ruggs. Who took the Raiders? Anyway, Mike Marks. Whoa. Darrell Williams trying to run away on us. Chiefs. Another Henry Ruggs for the Raiders. And we got an auto. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Here we go. That's a silver. That's a Patriot. Oh my. This is score. Oh my gosh. No way. No way. Is this an auto? Tom Brady. Show me an auto. Please. Please don't just be a backwards card. Auto! Hot sauce! Tom Brady! Boom! Travis Miller, welcome to the break, my friend. Holy smokes. Dude, one of one. Oh my goodness. Hot sauce. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Hey, we pulling fire over here at One Too Many, baby. Woo-hoo-hoo. Let's go, baby. Woo! We ain't stopping. We ain't stopping. Let's go. I'm waking up the neighborhood. Oh my goodness. Did y'all just witness that? Woo-wee! What a giant. Travis Miller, welcome to the break world, my friend, because you just hit a monster. I just said, how do we top that? Well, guess what? We did it. Woo-hoo! Hot sauce. Come on, somebody please screenshot this and send it my way. Please. Oh, my goodness. Look at the first two packs. I'll let somebody screenshot this first. Travis, I'm going to tell you right now, if you look to get rid of this, please let me know first. Please let me have the first crack at this. What a dandy. Same thing with you, Drew. If you want to get rid of that, let me know. Let me be the first one to have a crack at it. Look at that. If that ain't beautiful, back-to-back packs, baby. We having fun over here. Waking up the neighborhood. Let's go. My, oh, my. I love it. I love it. You boys having fun. Let's go, baby. Larry. Hey, Travis, you still didn't tell me, man. How'd you find us? How'd you find us? Because you just hit a giant, my friend. Robbie Anderson. Oh, my. Is this another auto? Is this backwards? Dude, it is. It's another auto, you guys. This is loaded. Isaiah Simmons, rookie. My goodness. Hey, everybody needs to share this video. We going viral, baby. Oh my gosh. This has got to be the best. Hey, what did I say before this break, though? Seriously, if you were in here early, I said, listen, guys, I think both boxes we got left are going to be insane. Dude, this is better than insane. That's all I'm saying. Baltimore, Patrick Queen. All right, let's go. We having fun over here at One Too Many, baby. I called it. Anthony McFarland out of 99. We'll go ahead and sleeve that up. Anthony McFarland, rookie. Oh, my gosh. Can you even believe what just happened, fellas? Wow, we're having fun over here. Jake from State Farm going to the Bills, baby. No. Colts, Jacob Eason. That's going to Travis. And this should be another auto. I believe it was backwards. Let's go. Here we go. Panthers, numbered of 75. It could just be a numbered card. Who's got the Panthers? Panthers. Man, Travis, I picked that for you in your last round. Let's go, baby. Be an auto for him. Be an auto. Rookie auto. It is Jeremy Chin out of 75, baby. We're getting saucy. Woo! Let's have some fun, baby. Let's have some fun. 3 packs, 3 autos. This is wild. Let's see if we can keep this streak going, because at this rate, we're going to have 6 autos, baby. And guess what? We're going to take them. Every one of them they want to give us. Let's go. Who's having fun? This is wild. Just to be a part of this break, I'm telling you, you about can't believe it. If you weren't here to actually witness it, you about can't believe it. Brandon Ayuk going to the Niners. Draw. Jags, James Robinson. Silver. It's upside down. I don't think we have any more auto. Look at that. J.K. Dobbins getting saucy on us. We got the Ravens. Travis Miller. Why not? Have yourself a break, my friend. Silver J.K. We're still excited about that. Clyde Edwards-Helaire going to Mike Marks and the Chiefs. Cam Akers, rookie. We got the Rams, Mike Marks. The Bucks, Tyler Johnson. Jonathan Taylor going to the Colts, Travis again. Michael Pittman Jr. also going to Travis. Wow. Hey, we still haven't got our jersey, so I guess there's a chance. 3 autos. Maybe that could be it. But there's a chance that we could even have an RPA, I guess. Rookie patch auto. Aaron Donald. Khalil Mack. There's a silver DeAndre Swift going out to the Lions. Mike Marks. That a boy. We'll take that for sure. Wow, you guys. What a break. Jerry Jeudy, Broncos. Another Antonio Gibson. What's a break without like 45 Antonio Gibsons, right? Laviska Shenault. Oh, that's upside down. Chase Young. Going to the Washington football team, Drew Graw. And another Jerry Jeudy. All right, everybody. Last pack, Mojo. Good luck. Thank you all for being in here tonight. Unbelievable. You're going to want to stay tuned for these highlights. I guarantee it. Bonkers. And there's a thick card, so it's at least a jersey card. At least. Saquon going to the Giants. Cowboys, Emmitt Smith. The next card's a thick one, so we'll skip. Go to the back. Darnell Mooney for the Bears. That's another Chase Young for you, Drew Graw. Have a break. For sure. It's been awesome. What a break. Lions. Barry Sanders, numbered out of 199. Going to the Lions. Took the Lions. Mike Marks. Mike Marks has the Lions. Uh-oh. There he is. Justin Herbert. Hot sauce, baby. That don't top the one from earlier, but I tell you what, we'll take every house payment Herbert we can get. Atta boy. Have a break, Drew Graw. Have a break. I'm fire. Man don't miss. That man don't miss. Bengals. Joe Burrow. Hot sauce. Going out to you, Ozzy. There you go, buddy. Little Burrow action. We're taking Burrows all day, baby. Here we go. There it is. Let's go. I think this is the last card. It is Houdini Act. Let's go. Upside down. The Bears going to Mike Marks. Not his boy. Out of 99. Roquan Smith. Roquan Smith patch card out of 99 going to Mike Marks. Holy smokes. What a break. Here's just a couple highlights for you. Barry Sanders out of 199. Silver, DeAndre Swift. Silver, J.K. Dobbins. I don't think those were not numbered. Anthony McFarland out of 99. Roquan Smith, jersey out of 99. Joe Burrow, rookie. Justin Herbert, rookie. Jeremy Chin, auto out of 75. That's a beaut. And, oh, you know, just a couple other autos. Nothing major or anything. Boom! 101 Tom Brady, and out of 49, 30 of 49, Justin Herbert. Holy Giants. Those are huge. Can somebody please screenshot this and send it my way? Because those are giants. One more time for the people in the back. Hot sauce, baby. Woo! Let's go. That's a house payment Herbert and a retirement plan Brady or something like that. I don't even know what to call it. My goodness. About can't believe it. We opened this in the first pack, and I said, that's going to be tough to up that one. And then we open up a 101 Tom Brady in the next pack. Only right here, baby. One too many breaks. I tell you what, and everybody that's over here knocking my knife, guess what? Remember what I said? Until old trusty Rusty, old Stanley, old Dully Wully, whatever you want to call him, till he starts not pulling fire, we'll get rid of him. Other than that, he's going to keep trying to cut open boxes. Trying, that's the key word. Let's go, baby. Woo! Hey, don't forget, both of you guys that hit these, you guessed it right. You guessed the auto right. So you're both going to get a pack of Prism, as if the break wasn't good enough for you. I'll tell you what. Man, oh man. We're just going to give you all a round of applause. That was insane. Insane. Guys, like it, share it. Do everything you can. Tell everybody about it. Drew, if you're interested in getting rid of the Herbert, please let me know. Travis, if you're interested in getting rid of the Brady, please let me know. At least let me have first crack if you guys are going to get rid of it. What a break. What a break. What a break. Thank you guys for making this so much fun. Thanks for just, wow. Unbelievable. If you weren't here tonight, you can't believe it. Back-to-back packs. Hottest box of Chronicles on the market. I've not seen a box even close to this. I've seen Herbert autos everywhere. I've only seen my Burrow auto that I pulled. But back-to-back packs, absolute monsters, baby. Let's go. Hey, we'll put up a break maybe for tomorrow night. I appreciate you guys. I'm telling you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate it. Y'all have a good night. We'll be back. Stay saucy.